DJI Fly More Kit, charging dock, and extra batteries. Should you buy it? Hey, what's up guys, Travel Tip here. In today's video, we're taking a look at the Fly More kit, specifically the charging dock and the 3 additional batteries that come in the Fly More kit with the DJI Drone. So you're probably thinking about spending a few extra $100 on the Fly More kit to get you the extra batteries. Or maybe you've already purchased your drone, you love your drone so much, you're searching for tips and tutorial videos on YouTube, and you come across my video and I told you in the thumbnail and in the title not to do this with your charging dock. Well, in today's video, I'm going to give you guys a rundown on the charging dock and the extra batteries and tell you what you shouldn't do with this charging dock. So first things first, of course, if in order for you to charge the batteries, you've got to have it plugged into the wall. However, what makes these charging docks really great is that there's a button on the side right here that you can push. And when you push this button, it's going to indicate how much battery your batteries has. So of course there's 4 indication lights and that's telling me that my batteries are full right now. But if in fact they needed charging, it would only flash maybe 3 or 2 or 1 light depending how much battery you have in your batteries. And so the tip I'm going to give you guys today is that if in fact your batteries are fully charged, the thing that you really don't want to do is keep them in the charging dock after they are charged. If your batteries are fully charged, you want to make sure to take them out of the dock and don't let them sit idle in the charging dock if they're already charged, because eventually that can weaken the lifespan of your battery, and a 30-minute flight on each battery could turn into maybe a 15 or 20-minute flight depending how old your battery is, and if in fact you've let them sit in the charging dock charged their whole lives. So definitely when they're fully charged, you want to take them out of your dock, because that is the reason why you purchased the Fly More kit, to have the additional batteries, because one of these single batteries will only last you 30 minutes of flight time. So having the additional 2 and an hour and a half of flight time when you're up in the mountains or somewhere and you've got a whole day plan of flying, you want to definitely make sure that you're getting the maximum potential out of your batteries. And so you don't want to let them sit in the charging dock if they're full, because eventually that could weaken your battery and kill the lifespan, and that's the last thing you want. But anyways, that is the DJI charging dock Fly More kit with the 3 additional batteries. If you guys like this video, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, and catch you with the next one.